beautiful people. Welcome to my auntie's YouTube channel. Today, we are going to do basically like an interview on what happened earlier, and we're going to be like, so we are basically going to be like answering some things and just telling you about what happened earlier. Okay.
And can you introduce yourself, please?
Okay, so my name is 𝙏𝙗𝙖, and I'm her niece, and she's my auntie, and you might recognize me from the last video I did with her. And if you didn't check that video, why don't you check it out right now?
But if they check it out right now, they're gonna stop watching this video. So check it out after this video, please.
Yeah, after this video.
Yeah. Hello, sanibonani, beautiful people. As my beautiful niece has said, we just had a beautiful day today, but it was so busy and there was so much music playing, so we couldn't vlog and talk over it. But we will show you some highlights of our day. So 𝙏𝙗𝙖, please tell our beautiful people where we have just been.
Okay, so we had to wake up really early in the morning at around 7 o'clock, because we were going to the Disney on Ice show in London, and it was really fun because it was like you got to be like part of this like group of like celebrating 100 years of Disney, and also there was like lots of different like movies were recapped, and they were recapped but with real people ice skating, and it was like really fun and stuff like that. And they also got food which tasted really good, and yeah.
What was your favorite moment of today?
Probably like the when we went to London, cause in the place they played lots of music and it was really fun. Cause I love music.
And when we were watching the Disney Ice Skaters, which character was your favorite?
Okay, it's hard. I'm gonna have to go Minnie Mouse.
For me, Moana.
I have lots. I have Minnie Mouse, and I also have Mirabel.
Nemo as well.
I have Mirabel from Encanto, and she was the last one. So Mirabel and Minnie Mouse. Those are my favorites.
Rapunzel was good as well. She made some really good dance moves. And did you expect to see a character that you didn't see?
Yes. I expected to see Simba.
Me too. I even wore a Simba t-shirt.
Yeah.
I really expected to see Simba or someone from The Lion King, and I didn't. I was so ready to sing Dancing, oh yeah.
Ba bee da ba ba.
But it didn't happen. But still, the show was so good.
Yeah,
and thanks to the O2 for inviting us. And we had VIP seating, didn't we?
Yes, it was really cool.
How did it feel to be VIP and sit in a special place?
It felt amazing.
Will you ever do anything where you are not a VIP in your life, or is it VIP only from now on?
VIP only.
Or VVIP?
VVIP.
You know what is VVIP?
No.
What is VIP?
I don't know what it stands for.
Stands for very important person. And VVIP is very important person. That's why you should never pay money for a VIP ticket, because it means you are imposing yourself as an important person. You must be invited to sit in VIP.
Oh.
The host must consider you very important, not consider yourself very important. You see?
Yeah.
It's a bit to pay for VIP tickets, isn't it?
Yeah.
You must be invited.
Yeah, because the person, the O2 guy or whatever they were, they invited us to be like a VIP.
And they really looked after us, didn't they? Would you ever consider being part of the Disney ice skaters?
That would be really cool. Maybe one day.
Are you going to consider doing some ice skating so that you can be really good at it?
Yeah. I can do roller skating, but not ice.
Oh, if you can do roller skating, you can definitely do ice. Isn't it?
I remember, wait, do you remember that one time? So basically, that when it was Fundy's over there, when it was Fundy's 9th birthday, we went to a trampoline park, and after that we went ice skating. And I was like 3 or 2 years old, and I was doing the ice skating, and I kept on falling down.
Because you were so young.
Yeah, I kept
think
on
you can
falling
do it
down.
now.
But they had these like penguin guide things with like handles, so you can hold on to it.
You know, at my big age, I still use the penguin when I'm ice skating. Don't tell anyone. Shh. Keep it to yourself.
Yeah, but...
Don't tell anyone.
Yes, but you know that everyone watching this video is gonna know. So you guys better not tell as well.
Yeah, we'll keep it between us. It's a secret.
Just this group.
So what are your final words about today and about what we did today? And what would you like to tell parents who have not taken their parents to see Disney celebrating 100 years?
Well, I know Daddy would like to ask some questions.
Ooh.
And maybe we can do some answering to them.
Daddy, do you have any questions?
We didn't, because he didn't come. Do you
It
have
was
any
a
questions?
girls' day out.
Yeah, girls' day out.
So, Daddy, do you have any questions?
About the place. You can come and frame it.
Oh, about the place. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, about like what?
You can come to the frame.
Yeah, you can come and frame it.
Are you camera shy?
You
That is camera
You're
shy.
so awkward.
Yes, I'm camera shy. I need to know about your VIP experience. Because I've never been in VIP areas, you know.
Oh.
So how was it like?
So.
What's the difference between sitting in a normal sitting and VIP?
Well, it was like really like it just felt like different because like that was like the seating area, the VIP, and it was up there, and then it was like at the very very top, and you could like see everything, because there was like it's like a bar place, but it isn't a bar.
It's a suite where it's only a few
suite.
people allowed, not the 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙣𝙠, not the extra strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we were just sitting there eating our food.
Oh my god.
And they like bring your
Amazing.
food to
Yeah.
you.
And they even bring it to you.
Wow.
You order and then they just bring it.
Wow, I'm so glad that you enjoyed
And you have
the
your own
experience.
chaperone who's just looking after you in case you need something.
Yeah. That was amazing.
And you have your nice bathrooms, not the bathrooms where... Because it's a big show, there were like 50 members of the audience. Not
Yeah.
50,000. There were 50,000 people.
Yeah.
Wow.
And also, guess what? There was 50,000 people, and that's a lot of people. And there even was so. Guess what princess was there?
Yeah, which princess was it?
It was Elsa. She's a queen though.
Wow.
Practically, yeah.
Wow.
And I think now we need to go to Disney Singapore. Because you've been to Disney Paris, haven't you?
Yes.
Do you want to tell the story of when you went to Disney Paris?
Yes. So, Mummy was like pregnant with me at that time. Even though, I already told you that, that the pregnant part, but even though I still had fun.
Yeah, and you still remember exactly what was happening, even though your mom was still pregnant with you when she went with you.
And I'm pretty sure like we had this photo of like them sitting on like a back of a golf cart car or whatever. Remember that? Yeah.
I love smart kids who remember things that happened before they were born. I only remember things from when I was 2 months old. Anything before that I can't remember.
Yeah, and also, so Fundi got it like her hair like done. It was like plaited, sort of. I can't remember like how, but then like when she met, Mummy told me this, and it's really funny. So when she met Rapunzel, Rapunzel said, "I like your hair," and Funny was like, she was shaking. She was like,
hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the O2. Where are we?
We are in the O2.
What are we here for?
Disney on Ice show.
Hi, Fundi. You happy to be here? I can't wait. You don't look happy.
I'm so happy.
Who are you?
Thank you all for being here today.
We are so excited to be here today to celebrate Disney and 100 years of wonder with all of you. Isn't that right, Meg?
That's right, Jeremy.
Why don't you just get up out of your saddles and march with us, and then jump right in and shake it up a little, okay?
Did you hear that? Just Woody and the gang need you up on your feet.
And if you get dancing, you might just end up on the big screen with all your Toy Story friends.
Come on, everyone! It's time to do the hoedown throwdown!
To all my friends on this side, if you want to spin that wheel, let me hear you make some noise!
Okay, not bad, not bad. But you know what, Jeremy? I think our friends on this side can be even louder.
Hey, Zimbley. Hey, Fundi. Are you having a good time? What's been your favorite part, Zimbley?
Let's see Tinkerbell.
She's a fairy.
Did you all enjoy the first half of the show?
Yay!
Awesome. Perfect. Then are you all ready for more magical memories?
Then let's get to it.
Mickey, did you see how many of our guests came dressed up today? What a great way to celebrate!
Hey, Fundi. Hey, Zimbley. Did you have a good time?
Yes.
I can hardly see you, Zimbley. Do you want to tell our beautiful friends thank you so much for watching?
Give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to see the best content on YouTube ever.
Thank you. And when are you opening your own YouTube channel?
Very soon.
Very soon. What are you going to name it?
Zimbley's Hub.
Zimbley's Hub.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, and thank you so much for spending the day with me. It was so much fun, and I think you and I had more fun than the other two, didn't we?
Yeah, probably. It was
Yeah.
really fun.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye!
That was really fun recording that.
Ah, that's lovely.